Have you ever seen those cool designs where a face blends perfectly with text? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to create that effect in Canva. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's jump right in. All right, first, we need to install an app. Go to Apps, search for FrameMaker, and install it. Once it's installed, click on Convert. We'll be using the mask feature for this tutorial. This is a paid feature, but they do offer a free trial so you can try it out. I'll leave the link in the video description. Now, let's add an image to work with. I'll select this one, resize it, and crop it so that only half of the face is visible. Then, I'll position it in the center. Next, let's add our text. Go to Text, I'll choose this text effect, and then ungroup it to remove the extra small text. I only need the main text. Now, I'll position it here and align it to the left side. Then type the text and adjust its size and position. Once the text is set, let's go back to FrameMaker. Make sure Mask is selected, then click Continue. Now, click Convert Design to Mask. In the Export settings, select the maximum size, check Transparent Background, and click Export. FrameMaker will now convert our design into a mask. Once the mask is ready, you can upload any image to fill it. You can either upload a new photo or select one from your designs. I'll use this image, so I'll click on it. Now, this option appears, Use Selected Image. Click on that. The image is now inside the mask. Adjust its position, zoom in if needed, and once you're happy with it, add it to a new page and adjust their size and position. And that's it. You've just created an awesome half-face text portrait effect in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to learn more about FrameMaker, I've already created a detailed tutorial. Go check it out. I'll see you there.